Hi guys, let's learn OR function in Google Sheets. So what it does, it checks for multiple conditions, and if any of these conditions are true, then it'll return true, otherwise false. Let's say we are checking if A1, the first, is greater than, let's say, 30, okay, and putting a comma, and then B1 is greater than 20. Okay, so these are the two conditions we are checking. So what it will do, if any of these conditions are met, then it will return true. So here this is not met. Here you can see that A4 is greater than 30, B4 is not greater than 20, B4 is also greater than 20, so both are met, so true. Here you can see A6 is greater than 30, which is not true. A6 is actually 30, but B6 is greater than 20, it's 25. So one of the condition is met, so it is true. Here you can see A7 is greater than 30, 100 is greater than 30, so that's met, but this condition is not met, then also it is returning true. If both of the conditions are not met, then only it returns false. Now let's use this OR function with combination of if or AND operator. So let's say we are using if statement, and here we will write OR A1 greater than 30 and B1 greater than 30. Okay, and we'll close this statement. After that we put comma. Now if this is true, that means both are greater than 30. We can write it, custom statement. And if it is false, right, one of them is less than 30. Okay, hit enter. Now here you can see one of them is less than 30, one of them is less than 30, one of them is less than 30. Here both is greater than 30. So even if one statement is met, the true statement results to this message being displayed. The false will display this message. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.